Merry Christmas! What's up, you guys? Hi, how are you? How you doing? First and foremost, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. My name is Michaela Ariel. Come get to know me. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting my tree up and stuff like that. I went to At Home. I'm gonna post like some little clips that I did. I went to At Home and that was out of everything. Okay, so I got these little things that I saw and just stick them out there like that. And I'm just decorating the front of my tree and this side, cause like, you know, when they sit down they can see it and stuff. But yeah, and then I got some red mesh for my bows that I'm making. I'm gonna be hand making bows and putting them everywhere. And then the red and black ribbon for the tree. And the few little ornaments I'm gonna put on, I'm using some short green hooks. And yeah, but yeah, so that's all I got. And then my ornaments from last year, they was red. And I think I did red and gold, so I'm gonna use some of the red ornaments that I had from last year and put on my tree in the spaces that don't have nothing there. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is my ribbon, my mesh ribbon. This is what it's giving. And yeah, I hope it's enough, y'all. I got my first. Oh, now it came apart, y'all. Hold on, let me scrunch it back up, or try to at least. Okay, hold on, y'all. It was so pretty, but guess what? We just gonna make it work. That's what it look like. Walmart bag, and I'm gonna wrap the tree around the middle of the Walmart bag. So I'm just making this big, fluffier, like I want it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the top, like that. And wrap it with the wrench. Like so. The prettiest. Yeah. All right, one down. And I'm gonna do like 7 more. I got all my bowls. I got like 7. This is what they look like. Really pretty, right? And yeah, I'm gonna put them on the tree. Alright you guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching me decorate my Christmas tree. I'm gonna do a close-up of showing y'all how it came out. But look at her. Look at her. Looking real full, real pretty. Yeah, I think it's cute. What y'all think? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. And then I'm gonna wrap a few gifts and stuff, you know. Go ahead and put them under there while my man gone. So yeah, I like it. What y'all think? What y'all feeling? Hold on. Let me move. But yeah, this is the tree. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, let me know what you think. But yeah, bye. Merry Christmas.